Good afternoon. In the last video, I have explained you the meaning of scientific attitude along with this definition given by NSSE. And now let us see what actually are the characteristics of a person with scientific attitude. The very first characteristic is with reference to open-mindedness. The word itself is giving us the clarity that a person with scientific attitude should always be open to receive the information. So he should always be open-minded. The second one is he should always establish cause and effect relationships. Science subject demands this particular attribute in a person with scientific attitude. The next characteristic is one should not accept anything without strong proof, because science is purely based on empirical evidences, so it should always be supported with strong proof. We should take the next point as one should make clear and precise decisions in his thoughts, in his approaches. In his decisions, he should always make clear and precise decisions. And an individual with scientific attitude should always be intellectually honest. This is very, very essential. One should not go with manipulations. He has to be very much honest in his intellectual attributes or the characteristics. And if he is not in a position to come to a specific conclusion, he has to suspend his judgment. A person with scientific attitude should keep himself away from superstitions. He should not be a believer of superstitions that are existing in our society, and he should be free from prejudice, and he should be free from or away from bias. He should always think reflectively and divergently. Reflective and divergent thinking are the characteristics of a person with creative abilities. So he should always think reflectively and divergently. One should be very critical in his or her observations. So he should always make observations very critically, and he should always be very much honest and truthful in recording all those observations or the data. The next important characteristic is with reference to skepticism, wherein the person with scientific attitude should always try to ask as many questions as possible. That is what skepticism refers to. Then he should always be very much curious to know the external world around him or her. So he should always possess the quest or the thirst for new knowledge. So if an individual possesses all these major attributes or the characteristics, then only we call that individual as a person with scientific attitude. Thank you.